I think this is an emerging technology. In the agriculture sector, when we look at the overall evolution of the process, the first green revolution that we have after 70s, I think this is a landmark era now that we are introducing some new technology.
Honorable Prime Minister launched 100 of our drones in 100 different villages. And he kick-started a huge revolution, the Kisan Drone Yatra. And that moment actually changed my life. It changed the destiny of Garuda Aerospace. And on the 3-year anniversary of that unforgettable day, how befitting that we have our brand ambassador and an investor, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, here with us.
But the founders really matter, because at the end of the day, you need some real good founders, who are putting in the hard yard. For them, the product or the company needs to have that preference saying, this is my first choice as of now and the next few years. This is what I'll breathe and this is what I want to take forward in life. So I always felt that having a good product is one of the most important thing, but if you don't have a good founder, you can still ruin the product.